So hello everyone, so welcome back again. If you are new here, I am Ramror and please do subscribe. Yes, today one of my brother just requested me to sing this song Khipana bichar samira. So I have just learned this song. This song is originally I think composed and sung by Oshim. I don't know composed, but yes, sung by Oshim. One of my favorite Tangkhul singers. So this is the third song of his that I'm singing. I hope you will all ignore the mistakes.
Shadow the long shoulder, burning the ring passion. Anh chẳng có buồn kerja, yang tuy hao ke cinta tanda, ram ke zata ke mitada, tengaya kemang nasang kuida, linsan ni kahai, jarui. Bichar samira, Oshim WO, Mơ chạy hao mi ring, về sát cơ chi nơ, cơ si cơ hai nơ mi ring, và sống trao thuốc trao cơ. Chẳng có buồn kerja, yang tuy hao ke cinta tanda, ram ke zata ke mitada, tengaya kemang nasam kuida, linsan ni kahai, jaruri mirini, Khipana bichar samira. Chẳng có buồn kerja, yang tuy hao ke cinta tanda, ram ke zata ke mitada, tengaya kemang nasam kuida, linsan ni kahai, jaruri mirini, Khipana bichar samira. Bichar bichar longer say Khipana bichar samira. Anh chẳng có buồn kerja, yang tuy hao ke cinta tanda, ram ke zata ke mitada, tengaya kemang nasam kuida, linsan ni kahai, jaruri mirini, Khipana bichar samira.
Yeah, it's waiting. Yeah, so thank you and everyone. Stay safe, be happy. See you in the next video. So bye.